So these beautiful guys are called staghorns, and they're called staghorns purely because if you look at the leaf, I mean, look at that. You can see it looks like a horn of a stag, a type of deer. Now they've got two different types of leaves. They've got this beautiful base plate, and then they've actually got the fronds. Staghorns are part of a family called the polypods, and they're about 17 different species. So can you imagine, it's not only this guy, there are ones with frilly leaves, there are ones with short flat leaves, and some collectors go mad over them with very high prices attached to them. But interestingly enough, most of us have this guy. You know what the sad thing is? They've kind of come into fashion. Everybody wants them. You can grow them in pots, you can grow them indoors. However, many of us visited gardens where there were humongous ones of these growing. And if only we had just asked for a piece, because now we're paying top dollar for these guys because they're quite slow and they are difficult to propagate because they propagate by means of spores. So these guys enjoy indirect light, best underneath a tree or near a windowsill with indirect light, not direct light, please folks. Watering them when they're on the tree is simply popping your spray or your hose pipe into the top and just let it soak in, because underneath here is this beautiful spongy mesh that absorbs them. A spritzing every now and then during the dryness of summer, because these are tropical plants from the tropics, okay? Think about that, lots of water, lots of humidity, lots of rain. So do keep them spritzed. But folks, the easiest way to attach them is certainly by using a bit of stocking or a bit of shade cloth, and that works very well until their base plate attached. Why am I using and holding on a banana? Not so that I can eat it, but I'm rather going to feed it to my staghorns. Banana, when they start ripening and you get that typical banana smell, it's actually a hormone that's been released called ethylene, and they love it. It's a great way of feeding them. So I just take the banana, I squish them a little bit, and I just pop them in here, hide it, like a little secret envelope and pocket. And that is going to give my staghorn a great amount of ethylene, which is going to help to push some more leaves and keep it very, very happy. So indirect light, bit of spritzing, man, and they are here forever.